Happy New Year, everybody. Hope 2023 gonna be better than 2022, and because of that we came here to Bangsar. Overall the streets of the Bangsar looks like this one, and we're gonna have a lunch here in Antipodian. Later at night there is so much action because all the bars are busy with the nightlife, actually similar to Changkat. That's how does it look like inside the restaurant Antipodian in Bangsar. Winny have a very nice food. This is like a Moroccan kebab with hummus, French fries, tomato. How is it? Nice? Tastes good?
So good.
And this is like environment of the restaurant. They have a mix of the nice food stuff like this one. You can sit outside. Not so busy because it's 4 o'clock. It's like between lunch and dinner time. All the menu is on the wall like in the other places. That's very interesting concept. And that's my beef burger. Looks like this one. Let's see how does it taste. I will let you know when I'm finished. But sayang, your kebab looks really nice.
We just had our lunch together, so it cost us around 91 ringgit. I know it break our budget, but this is how Bangsar. Bangsar area is the most hippest, the most hype neighborhood in Kuala Lumpur. As you see that there are so many expats living here and also wealthy locals, they said. So yeah, that's why we just decided today in New Year, Happy New Year everyone, to stroll around Bangsar area.
By the way, it's just 4:30 p.m. and all the spots for parking the cars are actually taken already. So if you drive car, already you have no space to park. Unbelievable. And these bars later on at night is gonna be all fully packed, especially today, especially on New Year's Eve, I believe. Okay, what's we doing now?
I'm thinking to have a haircut.
New haircut for New Year?
Yes, for good luck. But I found one hair salon. It's called Makeover. I don't know. I will check out because I read and Google review. This is the best hair salon in Bangsar area.
So as I'm already here, I'm gonna show you how looks the place, like this one. So cozy and cool actually for ladies. I'm surprised as it's not so busy for the New Year's Eve. Maybe they were already everybody. And Sayang is making her haircut here. Check this out. Seems like she's happy. Cozy place with so many details, cosmetics, big windows so you can have a look. Honey, how is your haircut?
Look at this! New year, new haircut.
Oh, Happy New Year, Sayang!
Thank you. I paid around 109 ringgit, so it's around how many dollars?
25 US?
25 US dollars, around
80,000 rupiah?
380,000 rupiah?
Yeah.
What? In
Yeah.
Bali, I paid around 500k for this in the one salon.
Yeah.
So
In
my
Sanur.
salon, yeah. So yeah, it's much cheaper here lah.
Yeah, still.
But the hairstylist, oh my god, he's so friendly and caring, and he really knows how to do it. Good.
Good. Okay, let's go to the, I don't know, to the mall maybe, waiting for the nightlife here. And it's hot. And overall in Bangsar there's so many interesting places, but during the daytime it's very cozy atmosphere, but if you come here later at 8-9 there will be so much action. So we have to wait summer, and as it's hot in Kuala Lumpur, in Malaysia in general, I think the mall is the best place to go now. Forgot to mention Jalan Telawi Chu. This is the place where we were and where is everything what we filmed previously today already. So you can see the streets and everything is totally different than Chowkit where we are staying in the hotel, isn't it, Saya?
Yeah.
Totally different vibe.
I think that now I wonder, why so many expats living here. You just like walk distance, you will get many things. Salon, got a restaurant, you got a boutique, you got a nice cafe. So yeah, and even the restaurant for the cuisine actually from many different countries.
There is the Hilly Max Irish bar. I got memories when I was still living in Northern Ireland actually, and in Ireland in general. But Bangsar is very, very popular for the expats from all around the world, like a Changkat in Bukit Bintang, the Bangsar, Mount Kiara, Damansara. That's very popular areas for the expats. But I think Bangsar is one of the top ones. And also so many very nice condominiums everywhere behind this. This is just like a city center, but behind they have so many condominiums and so many people living there. But the prices of the condominiums are about $1,500 per month, plus minus. So it's like a middle upper level of the condominiums here in Bangsar. But well, very cool area, to be honest. Not so bad place to live, I believe. Also over there is VCA, the same what we used to be yesterday in Bukit Bintang area, but here they have it also. Also, when Winnie had her haircut, she asked the hairstylist about, you know, plans for the new year and everything, and he just said as there is no fireworks or firecrackers, anything about the fireworks in Malaysia, unfortunately, so probably just like a regular nightlife, just maybe more busier, and yeah, that's it. We don't know actually what we're gonna do for the New Year's Eve party. We're gonna stroll around, that's for sure.
How is Bangsar village and how is nightlife in Bangsar later on. So yeah, what I can say, it's already, you know, the feeling of living in the expat area surrounded. So many people from different countries are here.
Yeah, and so much places to eat actually everywhere around. There's some nice El Meson, seems like Spanish steaks and stuff like this. So, well, pretty nice place, to be honest. Okay, but let's see what malls they have it here as well. Honey, people driving Bentleys here. I don't know if we can afford to stay in Bangsar lah. I don't have a Bentley or Ferrari lah. I will feel like, you know, different little bit. Maybe next time lah. We have to make a lot of good videos to afford this, huh?
Let's go to the mall, let's have a coffee.
Can we afford coffee at least? Okay, let's go. Honey, you have really beautiful hair today. Really, I like it.
Nice day.
Yeah, let's get inside the mall, and there is the coffee leaf. We could have a coffee there. Very nice decorations for the Christmas, new Chinese New Year and Christmas, but they are like connected. But no, that's the decorations for the Chinese New Year. Very nice. Actually, I'm gonna show you a little bit different perspective. Wow, cool. And the mall, yeah, mall, I'm gonna tell you. Inside the mall, Häagen-Dazs and some cafe with bar, restaurant. Maybe nothing really special, but you have everything what you need here. And beautiful cakes in Häagen-Dazs. There's nice looking coffee bar. It's called Artisan. You can find many people from all around the world inside. As always, there are some shops, so you can buy something if you need, like, you know, regular mall. They also have a nice decorations here, and this is skywalk to Bangsar village. I thought we are in Bangsar village, no?
This one is Bangsar village too. And they have a like connecting bridge.
So it's the Bangsar village 1 now?
1 and 2.
Oh, cool. Actually, yeah, that's true. We were actually down there, here. So this is the mall, and this is like another mall on the other side. Okay, cool. They have so many nice little cafes here everywhere around. Little bit different than the other parts of Malaysia, what Kuala Lumpur, what we are exploring actually. But like I said, this is more into expats. One of the most popular expats destination, Bangsar. Oh, and they have another coffee shops and nice decorations for Chinese New Year. This is the another Bangsar village mall. Mall number 1, we were number 2. Here we go, that's actually cool. Oh, actually they have so many decorations for Chinese New Year right now. I really like the decorations for the Chinese New Year. The Chinese New Year we will spending in Bangkok probably. Oh, they have also supermarket here, sayang. Supermarket lah.
What is it?
Supermarket. So they have already supermarket for shopping. Very nice. I don't know what's the name. Village grocer actually. I think we're supposed to shop one day, but not today. Maybe next year lah.
Yes. Next year?
Yeah, next year. Let's come for shopping next year lah. Of course, on every single corner they have a Starbucks here. Every mall actually have a Starbucks, but Sayang said that she wanna go to the tea leaf today, coffee and tea leaf over there. Oh, Sayang, this is Tesla. Have you ever seen Tesla before, the red car?
No.
No.
Wow. Different level, huh?
Yeah, we don't have a Teslas in Bali so much. I saw a few, but only few. Here is pretty standard. I mean, not standard, but they have it more and more. They have a Bentleys in Bangsar as well, so. Cappuccino and chocolate cake for better New Year, sayang.
For good luck in the new year. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Last cappuccino in this year, sayang. What's happened?
What a big.
Yeah, it's pretty big, isn't it? Check this out, the size of this one. It's pretty big, actually. It's like a, you know.
Like a bowl.
All right, it's already 7:30 after the sunset. Let's see how's the nightlife in Bangsar look like, because Bangsar is also popular for the nightlife and it's already cooler. Everybody going out enjoying their time. Okay, so this is the Bangsar Village Mall 1, connecting by the link to the Bangsar Village 2, the bigger one. And then there are bars actually everywhere around already. Let's have a look. I think so they don't mind and I'm showing little bit you around, but this is actually good for them, good for us, for everybody. People enjoying the time. This is little bit situation like a chow kit, but different. This one is slightly different than the chow kit. It's also 7:30, so it's not that busy yet, considering that as New Year's Eve is today, so if we come here probably at 11 or something will be much better, but still already people enjoying their time. Also it's little bit darkish here, so sorry for the lower quality of the video, but that's it's not so bright. But the bars inside actually are very nice, some of them. Alright, so we come back to the Hilly's Irish pub. That's how it looks, the situation here. That was the mall. And then we started our video on the street number 2 because they are jalan number 2, 3. Now we're gonna go into this direction next to the bank. So over here is Nature vegetarian restaurant. I thought it's Chinese restaurant, maybe Chinese, but vegetarian restaurant. And overall everywhere around on the left, on the right, you can find the bars and the restaurants and some shops even. But still kind of very quiet, maybe because it's just simply too early, but well, it's more enjoyable actually to make a video without the loud music in the background, because if the loud music in the background is also pretty hard, and if it's so crowded it's also hard to make a peaceful video. But you got the point. What you can find over here, well, like this one, My Burger Lab over there, very nice murals actually inside, but I already had one burger today. And we are going to the main street over there actually.
One thing about this area, you know, it's not only nasi lemak in Malaysia, but you see there are so many nice modern bistro restaurant, and then also the chocolate cafe behind me, and also burger, VIP lounge, and many things. You know, when I walk there, over there is even also there is Australian bakery shop.
A lot of interesting places here. Yeah, when you were right, there is Australian bakery since 1970, if I see properly. Platinum Music World, so this is like a bars and the discos actually. You can find it, this is like a bigger street, little bit wider. They even have a Taco Bell at the front in case if you are interested about the stuff like this one. Thirsty TheMonkeys. This is actually a very similar name to our name. So you can we are not thirsty though, but similar name. Yeah, it's just simply like this one. I think it's just simply too early yet. It's not nightlife time.
And look at the traffic, guys. You know, it's just dinner time, actually 7 or 8 p.m. and behind me already the traffic, and let's look at that, the 28 bars. It's already some people there, just because maybe not 12 yet. I don't know how it is if it's already night time. I mean like a late night, probably much more busier.
This is the Premium Indian R&B Club Paradise Bangsar, and somebody have a birthday party today, but not yet, it's just simply too early. And there is 7-Eleven, of course, even McDonald's in the corner. And this is the street where we actually started today, which is number 2, also supposed to be full of the bars and the restaurants. So this is Bangsar, and that's how it looks, the area of Bangsar in Kuala Lumpur. This is not the time for the nightlife, however the nightlife exists here in Bangsar. It's not as busy as it's Changkat, because Changkat is definitely next to Bukit Bintang number 1 about the nightlife. We're gonna make a special video about the nightlife in Kuala Lumpur anyways. Today's was more about the Bangsar, but also it's New Year's Eve right now, so we're gonna move to KLCC area. There definitely every year is very busy busy during the night. Unfortunately, no fireworks, but we're gonna show you what's going on there. Maybe it says some live performance, music, or at least there are crowds and local people enjoying their time. We just ordered Grab from McDonald's because, well, McDonald's is always a good location to order the Grab, easy to find. Also very interesting, like a corner, there is all the restaurants, bars actually over there. There is the Maybank. And down there also I can see something like a food stalls on the street and stuff like this one, and Honda and something like that, Main Street. We're going now by Grab to the Bangsar LRT, and then we're going to KLCC. My news, and we arrived to the Bangsar LRT, Pink Lane, so we can go directly to KLCC from this station. So actually it's convenient, however very far to walk in case if you'd like to walk there. And also buses during the New Year Eve, also possible, but I don't know, we took the Grab for 7 rings. 5 or 6 stations and we're gonna arrive. Let's go! And the stairs are working. And our train arriving. Ooh, this is pretty nice train. Pink Line is actually pretty nice indeed.
We just arrived in KLCC at night. Previously we were here at daytime, but now we will show you how is KLCC at night. And later on we will have a picnic lesson there because we bring many food here. And look at this, KLCC at night, so amazing, beautiful.
So nice, isn't it? We're full of lights. And if you are looking for the action, actually this is New Year's Eve, but every day is like that, especially on the weekends. You have to come at the front of the, well, Twin Towers over here. So everybody chilling and coming here, gathering next to KLCC at the front of this gold building, how I call it. There's fountains, people making pictures all the time, having family gatherings and all of this stuff. And on the other side, obviously, there are Twin Towers. From the bottom, actually very impressive. They were always impressive. And even now, almost in 2023, they are still impressive.
So packed of people, wow. I think that most of people who live in Kuala Lumpur, they come here just to celebrate New Year's Eve.
We are going to the KLCC park. This is the main entrance where the bus is stopping. There is the metro. There is huge HM Gold, and this is the entrance to the Surya KLCC. Very busy. I think we're gonna get inside because it's aircon, obviously, to passing the mall. And this is KLCC at 9 o'clock, actually, 3 hours before the New Year Eve. Definitely busy, but was pretty expectable as Bukit Bintang, KLCC. That's the 2 locations when people gonna coming to gathering and celebrate New Year's Eve. I think that's pretty understandable. But honey, what do you think? We're gonna chill at the park, huh?
Yes.
Let's have a look. But that's happy seeing so many people everywhere around. That's for sure. And in the mall there are already decorations for the Chinese New Year, which is in 21st or 22nd of January, just 3 weeks. This is the way to going to the park. Let's go. Many people coming, making pictures, selfies, family gatherings, people from all around the world in one mall. So cool, so cool. Very busy today. But that's good. That's good. And here we go. This is outside the mall and the KLCC park. There is some illuminating actually. So much people. The Christmas tree is still here, and there will be some illuminating. Normally at that time or previously there is also fountain, lights fountain, but I don't know what's going on today. Maybe there will be something specially illuminating for New Year's Eve, facing the towers. I'm not sure, however, currently already 3 hours before New Year's Eve. So many people everywhere. And lucky as KLCC park is actually big, so all the people can find a little bit of the space. I hope so we can also find. We were last time here actually during daytime on the very first video when we arrived to Kuala Lumpur. I hope so you had opportunity to watch it yet. If not, you can still do it. And well, we are going somewhere around. I'm gonna show you 360. How does it look like? And you can always look up and seeing these beautiful towers. Actually, they are very nice looking at night.
Honey, look at the park. Look at the people having a picnic there. So packed.
Yeah, I still wanna eat my pretzel, having a picnic like them. looking for the space where to sit. Actually very, very busy. I think it's only busy like that on the special occasions like today. Every single stairs, every single spot is taken. That's very busy. I actually, I should expect that, but didn't know it's gonna be as that busy. And this is still 3 hours. So we are sitting here having like a little celebration, little picnic, overlooking the Twin Towers over there in the background. I hope so you can see from this perspective. Saying what we have here, we have a Pringles, we have a Coke, Auntie's Aunt, I feel I'm too old to party somewhere hard.
Would like to say Happy New Year. We're wishing you a prosperous year ahead in 2023. Thanks for watching and see you next year. Bye.
See ya. Take care, guys.